Alright, sinners and signal droppers, I'm Yannick and you are not. Today we're ascending to the sacred gates of analog clarity, right above your local GPS dead zone, a church, because nothing says divine intervention like a tiny woo with RX issues and a mildly broken antenna. It's calm, it's spring, the birds are judging me, but fuck you, we are the birds now. Somewhere in the distance, a choir of ESCs sings a soft doo-doo-doo-doo-doo. We rise, we spin, we descend with grace that can only be described as legally questionable. Not much action, just some old-fashioned freestyle like 3 years ago. I could have maybe impressed some people with these moves. But at this point, I doubt that you are watching because of the flight, but for the stupid commentary and some crashes. I still appreciate it though. Thanks for coming back. For real. At some point I will return to this place, as it's a quiet, easy location with not much going on except for a building that's fun to whoop at. The script is at its end and I have no words left. Well, apparently so is the music at its end. Share this video with someone you don't like. Bless the noise and hail Satan. Until the next shaky miracle, peace out.